So I'm going to show you how I sew the pillow together. Normally in normal regular knitting, you would use a yarn needle to do this, but I'm just using my hands. So what I do is I find these two stitches here. I'm going to grab my yarn, pull this under. So I'm basically just sewing with this yarn, sewing this together. So then the next one, again, you just grab there, pull your yarn through, and I am going to have just enough yarn for this pillow. So hopefully it's gonna last, but this is gonna be really close. So, and then we're gonna pull these two once again. And then we're going to stop because we've got to put our pillow form in. But basically, I have this edge and this edge sewn together. We'll put our pillow form in and then sew the last edge. And this is, it stretches a lot, this yarn, so that's why it looks like this pillow form's too big, but it really isn't. I like my pillows really puffy. Okay. So, and then we'll just continue on sewing this edge together in the same way, grabbing these two next stitches, like so. So that's it, and I'll just stitch to the end of here and then just kind of work this out and stretch this a little bit, and our pillow's finished.